Welcome back, CAR new model folks. Today, we're diving into the future of luxury electric SUVs, the all-new 2026 BMW i3. BMW has taken the i3 to a whole new level, blending cutting-edge technology, eco-conscious engineering, and unmistakable style. Let's explore what makes this EV a serious contender in the electric SUV market. The 2026 i3 has undergone a bold redesign, reflecting BMW's vision for the future. Up front, we have the signature kidney grille, now reimagined with a sleek, aerodynamic look. And those adaptive LED headlights? They're not just for show, they adjust intelligently for road conditions. From the side, the coupe-like silhouette gives it a sporty vibe, while the 20-inch aerodynamic wheels enhance efficiency without compromising on style. Around the back, the slim 3D LED taillights and a sculpted bumper complete the futuristic aesthetic. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Stepping inside, the 2026 i3 feels like entering a luxury lounge. The cabin features premium recycled materials, a testament to BMW's commitment to sustainability. Check out this massive 14.9-inch curved display. It's the hub for BMW's latest iDrive 9 infotainment system. The customizable ambient lighting sets the mood, while the panoramic glass roof floods the interior with natural light. And for audiophiles, the Bowers & Wilkins surround sound system delivers a concert-like experience. Under the hood, or should I say under the floor, we've got a 74 kilowatt-hour battery paired with BMW's 5th generation eDrive technology. The i3 delivers a robust 282 horsepower and an impressive 400 Newton-meters of torque, ensuring a smooth yet thrilling ride. And when it comes to range, the i3 offers up to 300 miles on a single charge. Plus, with ultra-fast DC charging, you can juice up from 10% to 80% in just 30 minutes. Talk about convenience. Add to that the advanced regenerative braking system, which allows for one-pedal driving, making city commutes effortless and efficient. The 2026 BMW i3 is more than just an electric SUV. It's a statement of style, sustainability, and performance. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a luxury lover, this EV ticks all the boxes. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.